ABCmouse.
Hello, I'm Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. I love using art to help people, and I think I see someone who needs help coming right now. That is my friend Joey. Joey, are you okay?
Hello, Violet. I need help. I want to go see my friend, but I am all wet. But I am not in my house. What do I do?
I know what to do. Towel. This is a towel.
A towel. Thank you, Violet.
You're welcome. Now you will look great. Oh, oops.
Oh no! Can you help me, Violet?
What to do? Aha! A comb! This is a comb.
A comb! Amazing! Yay! Thank you so much, Violet. I am happy.
Oh, I know what to do. Toothbrush. This is a toothbrush.
A toothbrush? Why? Oh! I see broccoli in my teeth. Thank you, Violet.
Wow, Joey, you look amazing.
Thank you, Violet.
I wonder where Joey was getting ready to go. Oh, he does look so good. Joey, where are you going?
I am going to see my friend. It's you.
Me? Yeah! I know. Let's draw together.
Yes.
Oh, excellent. Let's all draw together. What should we draw? Oh, I know. Let's draw Joey, since he got all nice for us. Grab a pencil and some paper. Draw what I draw. Draw a circle. Now, draw hair. Draw 2 eyes. Draw 1 nose. Then draw a big smile. Joey looks great! You did a great job! Drawing together is amazing!